What's up guys, welcome to the channel Bullets Garage coming at you, and today I got a quick video because an Instagram follower asked me how do you adjust the headlights beam up and down on the Lexus GSF. So I'm going to show you very quickly where you put the screwdriver to do the adjustment. I'm going to post 3 separate videos below in the link of people that have done it and they show step by step how to do it, because it's already out there, so I'm not gonna make another video repeating that. They're very great videos. They talk about what you need to do step by step, and you watch all 3 of them, you get an idea of how you could do it, what area you could find a flat area where you could back up the car 25 feet to do the adjustment. So on the GSF, it is very easy to do the adjustment. Let me show you what you need. Phillips head screwdriver. This one is rather long, but it makes it easier. The shorter standard size ones should do the job just fine. And then you're gonna need a blanket to cover one headlight while you're doing the adjustment to the other side. And of course, you're gonna need nighttime. So mine, originally when I got the car, I felt that they were very low, pointing low. So I did adjust them up a little bit. I lowered the car. I adjusted them slightly up a little bit, and from the video that you're gonna see right now. So guys, another way to tell if your headlights are aimed too high or too low is when you're on the side of a car like I am, about 25 feet away, you could see the cutoff of the lights is right there, basically a little bit above the middle of the door. Normally, if that cutoff is higher, basically where the window is, that's too high because you're going to be blinding the person in front of you, oncoming traffic and such. So mine are well below the middle of the car there, as you could see. Let me turn on my high beams. That's the high beams, low beams. So actually I'm going to adjust mine a little bit higher because nobody's flashing at me that my lights are too bright or aimed too high. Plus I lowered the car. So I did adjust them already a little bit higher, but I'm gonna go ahead and adjust them a little bit higher, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. The beams are nowhere near the window of the door on a flat surface. So I'm gonna go slightly higher, and I'm gonna show you how I do that right now. So let's get right into it. You have 2 adjustments, left and right, up and down. We're gonna focus on the up and down. So let me get the light here and to show you more or less how this works. So you have your screwdriver. All you do is put it down into this groove, and right down there is the screw that turns left and right to adjust the height up or down. So that's on the passenger side, and that's why having this longer screwdriver makes it a little easier, because your hand is out here and you can work here instead of being all tight down here. Let's move over to the driver's side, which is actually even easier. Your window washer fluid's right there, and you see a little cutout right there. So the same thing, you slide. Let me get a better angle for you guys. You slide that screwdriver down, and it helps having the longer one. Oops, let me focus here. You slide it in, and that's the adjustment screw, up and down, left and right. So let me turn on the headlights, and I'm gonna have it pointed at the garage. Let me count actually how many feet this is going to be, more or less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 more or less, give or take. But I know usually in our cars, the left and right adjustment, if you didn't have any car accident or anything, you shouldn't have to worry about adjusting left to right, just up and down. So I'm not messing with the left to right. That should be perfectly fine on the car. Let's get the headlights on. I'm sorry if I sound a little congested. Okay. So we got the headlights on. You can distinguish the left beam right here, the right beam right there. Let's see if I can focus in on that. There you go. Left beam. And you can see it going across. It's pretty. This one is slightly higher, or I'm going to adjust this one slightly higher, because usually you want the driver's side a little bit lower so it doesn't blind traffic coming at you, and this one is usually higher. So let's cover up one side. We got a big blanket. It's going to throw it over so no light comes through. So now we are only focusing on the driver's side light. Let me stick my screwdriver down in here. Okay, and up is turning to the right, so. All right, right there is about a turn. It went up slightly. I don't want it to go crazy high up. I'm gonna take this blanket off. Cover this side. So now we're focusing on this. Come on in here. Put my screwdriver down in here. Okay. Focus again here. And about there should be good. I gave it basically about a turn. Let me uncover this so you can see. Left to right. So if we come up here to the actual garage. All right, so this is the peak of the left headlight. And right there is the peak of the right headlight. You see how you got a basically nice cutoff going up and across. That line is pretty even and crisp. You see how it's, let me get in the middle, pretty even and crisp right there. That's basically what you want. There goes Lily wandering the alley. But that's basically the adjustment, guys. It's very simple, very easy. You don't have to mess with left or right or anything. And there comes my wife coming down the alley. Hi, wifey. Don't run over Lily, right? Come here. Come here, Lils. Come here. Before mommy runs you over. Lily. Oh, she's coming to you. She's on the other side. Call her. She's on this side. There's my wife's. Hey, back it in. Back it in. Back it in. I'm gonna have my wife back her car in so we could see her headlights and see the height of hers real quick. But as for mine, I'm pretty happy with that. So let me go ahead and turn off mine. Or actually, I'll leave them on so we can compare. V6 Honda Accord, white on white, everything. Representing her business, Love is in the Hair, great salon. If you're in the Chicagoland area and your wives want to get their hair done by a professional for a great price, check out Love is in the Hair on Yelp. Turn on your headlights. So that's my wife's headlights. As you can see, both of ours are basically pretty aligned right there. So I know I'm not angled too high or too low. And there it is. Let me turn off mine so just see hers. There's just hers. So she has regular, I put HIDs in hers. So the cutoff is not as crisp, but as you can see, it goes across one bulb, second bulb perfectly. And that's that, guys. So very easy to do. Flathead screwdriver is all you need. Turn that off. Get a flathead screwdriver, adjust the 2 screws up and down. Like I said, watch those videos I'm gonna post below so you have a great idea of what you need to do, how you need to angle the car perfectly with the wall, and then you'll be good to go taking these steps to get it done. Please subscribe, guys. We hit 700 subscribers. We need 300 more to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.